Do you want to make money even when you are asleep? Let me tell you some tips. The internet connects people all over the world and offers a great variety of tools to help you connect to them and sell. First, you have to control your inventory. There are tools that do this for you automatically. Will even send you and your vendor a message for restocking. For e-commerce, customers can buy from anywhere. While enjoying a meal on a restaurant, and even when they are relaxing on the beach. Customer service is vital for running a business. The only way to have someone attend to customer requests 24/7 is with a chatbot that we offer with our product. This way we keep your customers happy. Come on, let's start selling.